Hey everyone, so this is the Freckle login screen. You get to it by putting in the website student.freckle.com. That's the website I gave you on the login direction sheet. So right here is where you're going to put your class code. For the first time you put it, it's automatically going to save it for the next time you go to log on. So that's one of the really cool features. So I'm going to click my login code. And I'm going to write my name that I use. Make sure you use your first name, last name, and if you use a nickname, since the beginning of the year, use that nickname. Clearly no silly nicknames. So this is your start-in screen. I previously had to pick an avatar, so that's what you're going to have to choose when you first log in. But after you choose your character, you'll see that this is where your character is, along with how many coins you get. You automatically earn coins right when you pick your character, which is a really cool little idea that they did. So then you have your Let's Get Started screen. So for the class you are in, whether it's math or ELA, you're going to choose what I'm asking you to practice. So right now I'm asking you to practice your ELA. So you're going to get started. And it's going to have you take a pre-test in reading, okay? So you have to click yes please because that's how I'm going to, figure out your levels and assign you work on this program. So then you're going to continue to your pre-test for ELA. You're going to try your best. It's really only 3 to 4 questions and it shouldn't take you more than, 25 to 20 minutes, okay? So continue. So this is your reading that they're going to give you. So if you click this little microphone button,
read all of the text first, then answer.
It's going to tell you what to do. It's not going to read the story to you or the questions to you, but it's just going to read the directions. If you want this pencil, you can mark up the text. You can highlight using these different colors. There is an eraser feature. So after you're done reading, you'll click Done Reading, and then you'll complete the questions. So I'm just going to go through and complete the questions. So I finished my pre-test and it automatically tells me I've earned coins, so I'm going to press continue. And now I have 3 areas that I can work on. Each of these you are going to have to take a small pre-test. Okay, so I want you to work through each of these topics. So I'm going to click on Word Study and I'm going to take my pre-test, and it shouldn't take me too long. I'll show you what you have to do. Ready to start, continue. Click the button below to listen and spell the following word.
Set. I set the bag down. Big. The basketball player is very big. Run. I run at the gym. Pot. I cook soup. Fan. I am Justin Bieber's biggest. Then we work. Chair. I sat down on the chair. State. I live in the state of California.
So you're going to go through and kind of complete the spelling activities that it's asking you, and you're going to realize that it goes from easy words to harder words because it's trying to get your level, okay? Now I finished the pre-test. I'm going to click Well Done. And it tells me, what level I am on, and then all of these, boxes are what you need to practice on. So I'm going to go back, and then you can do your skills practice. So I'll open that up, and you click on one. So nonfiction. There may not be a pretest, but let's figure this out. Hold on. So you have to answer 5 more questions to see the building change. So you press your arrow, and again, you're going to get brought to a reading. Okay? Now this is clearly going to adjust based on, how well you did during the pretest, okay? So just take it slowly and do your best. Don't stress, okay? There's also this feature on the left. It's a video. And what it's asking you to do is find information in a text. So it says watch a video to learn this skill. So now you can sit here and you can click the video and learn how to do what they're asking you to do. So let's click it and see what it talks about.
Which details support the statement? Before we can select multiple details from the text to support explicit information, we need a statement of explicit information in the text to support. Our article is about the Boston Tea Party and why American colonists protested against the British government. So let's have our statement be.
So you can see you can watch that whole about 3-minute video, and it kind of gives you an idea of what to do. So that was the nonfiction. There's also fiction stories and grammar that you can focus on. So these are all practicing, skills. Here's the library. Again, it gives you different stories that you can read along with questions. So then down here is your home screen, your math screen, your ELA, and your tracker. I'm going to open up the tracker and show you what that looks like. So my tracker, if I go here, this is my assignments. I currently don't have any assignments from my teacher, and it's just asking me to keep practicing. So again, you can practice those ELA skills, or if I have something assigned to you, that's where you would find it on here. This is your completed practice. Because I haven't practiced much, I don't have anything yet, but you'll see the activities that you completed and how long it took you. Your progress and growth is very interesting too to look at. It shows you your coin balance, your progress till you get your next character, and then this is also interesting. It tells you how many correct answers you have for the week. And then it also shows you your practice time each week. Articles and stories, your ELA report, you can see that you haven't really done anything so far because this is brand new, but once you start doing activities, you'll see all your scores. And then this is your class as well. You can see who's in your class, and you can also see the coins that you earn, so it's almost like a little competition. Every now and then, you'll get a bunch of different coins and you'll get invited to the piggy store where you can, buy stuff for your character, but you have to be careful and quick because you only have 2 minutes in the store. All right, so that is the tracker page, and I'm just going to show you the home page. Again, it's the ELA or the math, you get started, and that's what you are brought to, okay? So it's very easy to use, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you ask me questions if you have any, or if you run into problems, let me know as soon as you can. All right? Thanks for watching.